Good evening. I'm Nancy Grace. I want to thank you for being with us. As we go to air, girlfriend turned stepmother Misty Croslin, the last person to see Haleigh alive, disappears.
Is there finally a split between Raymond Cummings and his new bride, Misty?
When I went to sleep, she was there, and then when I woke up, she was gone.
I'm not hiding anything for anybody, and if somebody has something to do with it, let them fry. So be it. Whoever it might be.
Journalist Art Harris is reporting sources tell him there was a bitter fight between Ron and Misty. So bad, Misty's lawyer says she's left town. This just hours after Misty's own brother tells police he doesn't think anyone was home the night Haleigh vanished.
He demonstrated to us loudly and for a few seconds, and then he waited around, to presumably see if someone was going to be roused, if they were sleeping or whatever. He tells us that he made a good effort to see if someone was home. Misty did not answer the door. The house was dark and quiet.
I would have woke up if I heard any noise. I didn't hear anything at all. I was really exhausted that day, really exhausted. And when I lay down, I guess, I just was out.
That front door is all but 10 feet from the bedroom where Misty was sleeping with Haleigh and Junior that night. So if someone's railing on the door, there's no way she couldn't have heard that whatsoever.
It applies pressure in an area where pressure needs to be applied, and that's on Misty.
Let's unleash the lawyers. Raymond Giudice, defense attorney, Atlanta. Daniel Horowitz, renowned defense attorney, San Francisco. I don't need to give you two a tutorial on the law. Let's see the lawyers, please, Norm. But you both know, I'll start with you, Giudice, that flight can be argued at trial. In many jurisdictions, it can't be given as the law to the jury by the judge, but the prosecutor could argue, why did Croslin skip town?
Well, keep in mind, she's neither a suspect nor a defendant, nor has she been charged.
Okay, so you're not answering the question.
Yeah,
What about
she's
Horowitz?
not flying from she's not leaving from anything.
You gotta have facts. Anybody can run away when your husband gets angry at you and the whole world thinks you're guilty. Of course she's young and she's upset. We need facts before we
It could be argued at trial that flight indicates guilt. That will be the prosecutor's argument, Daniel.
Or innocence, that you're so upset that you're innocent that you can't take it. It cuts both ways.